Welcome back to Quick Oil and Brake, guys. Today I'm going to replace engine oil on a Chevy Equinox 2014, and pretty much the same from 2013 to 2017. And today I'll show you and tell you the importance of the oil change, what you have to do, and what things you have to keep in your mind when you're changing an oil change for your vehicle. And also in this video I'll show you a couple of things with the air filter and how often you have to change the air filter, also which air filter you should go for replace, and the oil filter which you have to pick for an oil replacement. So stay tuned and I'll show you. And the tool you need one ratchet, 15 millimeter for an oil drain plug. So this is a 32 millimeter to open the oil filter cap, which is right over here. So first thing first, you have to pull the dipstick. Okay, you see that, and also open this, and we are going to use a 5W30. You always have to pick the same oil grade. Never ever change the other grade with your vehicle. So whatever is recommended for your vehicle, pick that one. Okay, so I already jack up the car. Now I have to open the drain plug, and also you need this type of drain collector. So let's see, open the drain plug. So when you go under a vehicle, so this is the oil pan and this is the drain plug, as you see. So we're gonna open it, lose the drain plug. Okay, we already lose the drain plug, and now we're gonna drain the oil. Okay, so let it drain this oil. In the meantime, I'm gonna open the oil filter cap. All right. Okay, as you see, I put this one, and using an extension. So when it get loose, just open with your hand. So okay, so this is a filter. So dirty right now with the dirty oil. Alright, so the oil filter I'm going to change. Always I'm gonna recommend you to use original uh, oil filter. You see that I'm using a GM original filter for a Chevy, and if you're not or are not available, so I always recommend to use a best quality, okay, because the filter do the right job to clean all the oil sending to your engine. If the filter is not quality one, so it's not gonna be, you know, best for your engine. So just keep in mind that always use a better quality oil filter, and also better quality for a air filter. And this is a air filter box. So to open, these are 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws. So you have to open it and replace the air filter. So my filter is good condition, so I don't need to open today. So I'm gonna remove the filter from the cap. Hold on. So you just have to pull this one like this. I'm gonna throw this on, and you can clean inside if you want, and then just like this, pull this one and let it push. That's it. And also clean this one, and that's it. And we're gonna put this back. Before you putting back the filter, you can clean this surface. Alright, nice looking clean. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna put the oil filter, and we're gonna put all the threads all the way until it's get tight. Then we're gonna use a ratchet, and we're not gonna tighten too much. So if you tighten too much, you can break it, because this is a plastic cover. So don't over tight to break the cap. Okay, as you see, I properly tight, and now we going back to under the car and close the drain. So oil is pretty much drained, so I cleaned the drain plug. So now I'm going to put back the drain plug. And we're gonna tie this one just only 35 foot-pound. Don't over tie this one also. All right. Okay, after you tied the drain plug, just clean if there is any oil, so you can wipe this off. And now we're gonna drop the vehicle down and start filling the oil. Okay, I already dropped the vehicle, you can see that. And one thing I forgot in the beginning, before you drain the oil, you have to run the vehicle at least 4 or 5 minutes, because if you don't run and a vehicle been standing for a long time, it's not gonna be drop oil properly. So if you know you've been driving a vehicle and you changing oil, then it's okay. But if the vehicle has been standing for a couple of hours, still has to run 5 to 10 minutes, get warm up and drain the oil. And also I'm gonna share with you the oil filter number. This is a GM genuine part, and a part number is a PF457G. So it's up to you. You can go with the original or a better quality. It's up to you. And now it's time to fill the oil. And since this vehicle is 2.4 liter, as you see over here in a group section, so we're gonna fill with 4.3 quart. Okay, remember 4.3 quart. And also I'm gonna show you how to check this one. And after you check the oil level, you make sure you stay between this section, not less than and not more than, because if in a both way it's not good for your engine, because if you overfill, even then you're gonna harm your engine. And if there is a less than this dipstick, it's also harm your engine. So let's start to fill up the oil. Okay, so far I filled 4.1 quart. So to checking oil, first you have to start the vehicle at least of 5 to 7 seconds, then turn off, then we have to check back again. Because if you don't start your vehicle, you can get the right result for oil level. So now we gonna check. Okay, we have to clean this one first, then we're gonna put the dipstick again. Okay, it's a little bit, it's up to over here touching. I have to fill a little bit more. So basically you have to fill 4.3 liter, 3 quarts, sorry, 4.3 quart. So let me fill this one. Now we're gonna check this one. First we have to wipe this one, and then make sure when you filling your oil again, you have to start your vehicle again. Okay, so now I don't know if you can see, now is oil level up to over here, which is great. Okay, that's you have to make sure. So the oil is done, and now I almost cover everything. If you think is there any comment for me, you can ask or comment on under my video, so I will give you the answer. I'll try my best. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe And if you like my video, please thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Take it.